Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best camera drone review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Jzav S2S Camera Drone. The S2S weighs only around 170 grams, so it's ultralight and easy to carry. It has a foldable design, brushless motors for better durability, and LED lights for night flying. There are no integrated propeller guards included. It claims 8K resolution and 40 megapixel photos, but the listed RAW video resolution is 720 pixel at 25 frames per second, so manage your expectations. The drone uses electronic image stabilization instead of a true mechanical gimbal. The front camera can tilt up to 90 degrees via remote, and there's a secondary bottom camera for optical flow positioning. The advertised 50x zoom is digital. You get GPS, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, one-key return, headless mode, gesture photo and video control, and app trajectory flight. It also includes radar-based obstacle avoidance, designed to stop the drone when detecting objects. Flight time is about 20 to 25 minutes with a 2000 mAh battery. Control distance is around 100 meters and Wi-Fi image transmission is about 50 meters. Wind resistance is under 10 kilometers per hour, so it's best for calm weather flying. Overall, the S2S is a beginner-friendly toy-grade drone with fun smart features and lightweight portability. It's great for casual flying and learning, but not a true professional 8K camera drone. Number 4. V168 Pro Max Camera Drone. The V168 Pro Max is a foldable quadcopter with integrated propeller guards and brushless motors. It weighs around 259 grams and runs on a 7.4-volt 2000 mAh battery. The remote comes with a 4.5-inch LCD screen, so you get real-time FPV without connecting your phone. It advertises 8K HD video at 30 frames per second with a 1/3-inch sensor and adjustable 90-degree camera angle. It also claims both gimbal stabilization and electronic image stabilization, though at this price range, expect entry-level stabilization performance. You get GPS positioning, follow me mode, image tracking, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance up to 20 meters. There's also an aircraft search function that shows the last known GPS location, a very useful feature for beginners. Flight time is rated around 25 to 28 minutes with 3 to 5 kilometers digital image transmission under ideal conditions. However, wind resistance is under 10 kilometers per hour, so this drone performs best in calm weather. Overall, the V168 Pro Max is a feature-packed GPS drone with a built-in display controller and beginner-friendly smart modes. It's great for hobby flying and casual aerial shots, but don't expect true professional 8K cinematic quality. Number 3. S156 Camera Drone. The S156 weighs just 187 grams, making it lightweight and portable. It has foldable arms, built-in propeller guards, and LED night navigation lights. The included 4.5-inch screen remote means you don't always need your phone to fly. It claims 8K photo resolution and supports up to 1080p and 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. The drone uses electronic image stabilization instead of a mechanical gimbal, so expect decent but not ultra-smooth footage. The front camera can tilt 90 degrees via remote control, and it also features a dual camera setup. There's a claimed 50x zoom, most likely digital zoom. You get GPS positioning, optical flow stabilization, one-key return, intelligent follow mode, trajectory flight, and one-click surround. It also includes 4-sided obstacle avoidance and headless mode, great for beginners. Flight time is advertised up to 28 minutes, but real-world use may be closer to 15 minutes. Control distance is around 100 meters, and wind resistance is under 10 kilometers per hour, so it's best for calm weather. Overall, the S156 is a beginner-friendly drone with a screen controller, GPS features, and fun smart modes. It's more of a casual hobby drone than a professional 8K cinematic drone, but for the price, it offers solid value. Number 2. Aliexpress K18 Max Camera Drone. The K18 Max weighs just 216 grams and comes with a built-in 4.5-inch screen remote controller, so you don't even need your phone to fly. It features GPS positioning plus optical flow for stable hovering and auto return to home. It advertises 8K image resolution and 4K video recording with a 1/3.2-inch sensor and electronic image stabilization. Keep in mind, this uses EIS, not a mechanical gimbal, so stabilization won't be as smooth as a 3-axis gimbal drone. One of the big selling points is 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance for a budget drone. That's impressive on paper. It also includes airdrop functionality, which is a fun extra feature you don't usually see at this price. Flight time is around 25 minutes with a 2,200 mAh battery, and it supports 5G Wi-Fi transmission. The advertised control distance is up to 5 kilometers with return distance around 2 kilometers, though real-world performance may vary. Overall, the K18 Max is a feature-packed budget GPS drone with screen controller, obstacle avoidance, and fun extras like airdrop. It's great for beginners and casual users, but don't expect professional-level 8K cinematic quality. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone. The Atom 2 weighs under 249 grams, which means in many countries you don't need registration. It features a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage, shoots 4K at 30 frames per second with HDR, and takes 48-megapixel 8K photos. You also get 2.7K vertical shooting, perfect for TikTok and Instagram Reels. It has a 1/3-inch sensor with AI night shot, which improves low-light performance. Video stabilization is solid thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, and the 4x digital zoom adds flexibility. You also get creative modes like dolly zoom, slow motion, panorama, and quick shots. Flight time is around 32 minutes with a 2,330 mAh battery, which is impressive for this size. It supports up to 10 kilometers transmission range and has brushless motors with wind resistance up to around 38 to 46 kilometers per hour. GPS and downward sensing help maintain stable hovering. AI track keeps subjects in frame automatically, which is great for beginners. It connects via the new Potensic Eve app and supports both app control and remote control. Overall, the Potensic Atom 2 is a powerful, travel-friendly drone with strong camera performance and smart features at a competitive price. Great for beginners, content creators, and casual aerial photographers.